to lay his hat because he had it with him.
Oh, very good.
Absolutely right. It's time for the weather now. They're hoping for clear skies in Lou tonight and over the weekend. Are they going to be lucky, Beat?
You've just set me up there, Natalie. You know that's not the case. I think they'll be all right tonight, but good evening. We've got a fairly unsettled weekend ahead of us. We did actually see some sunshine today. This sent in from one of our weather watchers in Devon, but you can see the clouds started to build. We did get some fairly hefty showers as well. This weekend, we are going to see some spells of rain. I think Sunday, the rain will clear quite quickly, but certainly tomorrow it's going to be fairly wet. Both days feeling cool, and we could well see some gales on Sunday. Now, we've got the jet stream further south. It's fairly cool air across us at the moment. Over the next 24 hours, that will tend to push northwards, and that will spill a few weather fronts across the top of us as well. So as we head towards the weekend, we will get some series of fronts bringing some rain across us. The first one of this is tomorrow. I think as we head through the afternoon, that rain is going to turn quite heavy. It is a warm front, so we'll see a lot of mist, low cloud and fog too, and temperatures into the mid-teens. Then all eyes are on the west, where this cold front will bring another spell of rain. It's not just the rain, that will clear quite quickly. It's the strength of the winds you can see coming down from the northwest, and we could see further gale force winds through the day on Sunday. We have still got one or two showers out there at the moment. By and large, most of them will die away overnight tonight, and we'll see the clouds start to push in from the west, with it some heavy rain for the Isles of Scilly and West Cornwall. Further east, we could well hang on to the clear sky, but most of us, with that layer of cloud, that will stop temperatures getting too low, down to around 8 or 9 degrees. So there's that rain then pushing in from the west tomorrow. It will turn heavy at times, and I think even when the rain does ease in places, it's going to stay misty, murky. We've got a lot of low clouds, some hill fog too, and through the afternoon those winds will start to strengthen as well. So all in all, I'm afraid it's a thoroughly miserable afternoon. Temperatures up at around 13 or 14 degrees. Here are our times of high water then. We've got roughly 5 in the morning and 5 in the afternoon. In terms of our surfing, we've got messy waves further north, clean further south, but I think those waves will tend to increase as we head through the afternoon and overnight ahead of that next weather system. In terms of our coastal waters forecast then, fairly poor conditions actually along our coast. With that warm air mass, we've got some fog, some low cloud. The winds will be south to southeast. They will become northwesterly, increasing to gale 8 later on in the day, and we'll see that rain on and off through the course of the day. Now it's Sunday we're keeping an eye on. We have got a yellow warning in force for Sunday. Throughout the day, really, we could see some fairly strong gale force winds. The rain itself, you can see, does clear quite quickly, so I think it will be wet to begin the day with. By lunchtime, that rain will have cleared out of the way, and then we're left with a lot of the cloud breaking up, some decent spells of sunshine, but those winds are going to be strong, coming down from the northwest, gusting 40 to 45 miles an hour. So slightly stronger than what we had today. We did see gusts of 40 to 45 earlier on this morning. So we have got a fairly unsettled story as we head across the weekend. A little bit of a lull tonight. The winds will ease. We'll see clear skies for a time before more cloud starts to push in from the west. The rain with us really from the word go. We could see 1 or 2 thundery bursts embedded in that weather front tomorrow, but for most of us it will be grey, a lot of mist, low cloud, hill fog along with that rain, and that rain will be heavy at times. And then we get the winds start to pick up through Saturday night into Sunday. The cold front clears quite quickly on Sunday, so I think many of us will wake up to a lot of rain, fairly heavy, but that will clear by lunchtime. And then actually a decent afternoon on Sunday. It's the afternoon, I think, across the weekend that's worth getting out and about. We'll see a lot of sunshine. Yes, it will be breezy, but the strongest of the winds likely to be through the morning. The good news is, after all of that weather this weekend, you can see things do start to settle down as we head into next week. We've got high pressure starting to build, so a lot of fine, dry weather by day. It will be quite chilly by night, though, with the potential for some mist and fog. Back to you.
Thank you, Bea.
Thank you, Bea.
And good